How are we doing, guys? Back on these pattern videos. We're moving on to Hyeong in this one. So if you haven't seen the Chonji stuff, you haven't seen the Tangun stuff, you haven't seen the Dosan stuff, it is out there already. It's on Facebook, it's on YouTube. Check it out. Okay? If you need those helps, if you need that extra information for the sticking points, go grab it. Okay? Go grab the information that you need. But we are moving on. Okay, so Hyeong, first tip's real simple, is those beginning combinations. Same as we've done with Tangun, same as we've done with Dosan. We want to go and just highlight the details in the first combinations. Okay, so Hyeong is the first pattern that has its own My Chun-Bi. So you go into your normal Chun-Bi, feet in, hands up, down. Remember, right hand is closed, left hand is open. On top, and we want to bring it up and down until it's just about level with my chin. Okay, I'm not having it in front of my eyes, and I'm not dropping it down here either. Okay, comes out in front. And again, elbows are not stuck to me. Okay, if you see that My Chun-Bi from the side, there's a gap here. Okay, I'm not hugging it. Okay, I want to have a nice big frame, big pyramid kind of frame here. Okay, I'm not squished up. Okay, right, it goes from your My Chun-Bi. This bit, how your hands are here, might as well stay like that. They drop to here, my right hip. I go to my left into my back stance, into my double open hand block. You will notice this from Tangun. Yeah, we get to the middle of Tangun, we turn into this double block. It's the same first move for this. Yeah, we already know that technique. Okay, so make sure they are the same. Do not make up a new one just because you've moved up a pattern. Okay, into that double block. From there, my top hand will become my chop. Okay, it wants to go into a middle block shape, but I've got a flat hand. Okay, neck height. Okay, that front hand from this here, okay, is going to draw in, and it comes right into my collarbone where my knife block hand sits, but it's just closed. That's all. Okay. What you will notice as you go up the patterns is lots and lots of techniques that you do are very, very similar in terms of where you put your hands, your hand positions. Okay? Do not change them just because you're learning a slightly new technique, or it's a new combination, or it's a new pattern. Okay? Keep the basics the same. It will help you out so much. Okay? So, from your My Chun-Bi, it goes drop, double block, same as Tangun. Top hand comes in and chops. Notice it comes around to hit the neck. I do that from the front, around. It doesn't just drop like a plate. Okay, and we don't scoop either. We've got to make sure we have both. Okay, so here, around, bam. This tucks into my chest. Right, my collarbone here. Then my chest hand is going to go drop and punch it out. Still in my back stance, I haven't moved my feet, I haven't shuffled, I'm not changing to a front stance or anything. 3 techniques, 1 stance. Okay, that's what we need. Okay, so My Chun-Bi. 1, 2, 3. Okay, but I'm looking that way, I've got my 45-degree angle body, back stance is going that way, I'm not punching out like this. Okay, it's here. Okay, from there, both hands will come to the front hip, my left, step, step, repeat, double, over and chop, recoil and punch. Okay, yeah, this back shoulder will come back because I've got to recoil this hand, okay, but I'm not punching out square. Okay, I still want the correct body angle, I still want to make sure I'm going that way for my punch. Okay, now what I'm going to do for this one as well is I'm going to kind of do it like sideways on, so you can see my feet as well. Okay, so what you do is you're in your My Chun-Bi, you will step to your left with your left, and I want to check my right heel, my left heel. They are not in front of each other. Remember about your stance widths. Okay, if I stand shoulder width apart when I'm in, I say my Chun-Bi, okay, that is the same width for my front stance as it is for my back stance. Okay, don't start going narrow on one line on your stances, because it's not what we're after. Okay, so here, hip, back stance, 1, 2, 3, steppity step, 1, top hand, 2, 3. You've got to kind of imagine that this to here you've hit your block, you hang on to your opponent, that's kind of what it is, do not open and close your hand mid-pattern. Yeah, but it's here, you've got to imagine you've kind of grabbed onto them, you've dragged them closer, and then you're whacking them in the neck. Okay, so this could be a hand that you're pulling in, or a bit of a gi or something, and then you just chop, yeah, okay, side of the neck, and then we recoil to punch out to then knock them back, yeah? Block, counter, and clear, effectively. Okay, that's the tip for today. Just remember those hand techniques. 1, 2, 3. On that, thanks very much. And then we'll move on. Enjoy.